to show you our rainbow popcorn puzzle from Parachute Puzzles. It's a 1,000 piece puzzle. It's got a nice picture on the front of the box. You can see inside the box here all the pieces. Another puzzle I haven't put together. It also comes with an additional sorting tray, which you can see underneath these pieces, which is kind of a fun bonus. Each puzzle has a nice big glossy poster that's about quarter size, and then you can see on this one the different colors make it really fun to sort, and you can just kind of start at the top or the bottom or whatever else. And each Parachute puzzle, the puzzle pieces are really high quality interlocking cardboard pieces. So you can hardly get it apart, with a nice white background, but they fit together really well. The puzzle is manufactured in such a way that when it's put in the bag, it's blown out, and so most of the puzzle dust is gone. There's not a whole lot of puzzle dust with it. So, this Parachute Puzzles has 10 different puzzle designs, from fruit cups to beach scenes to really difficult puzzles, yarn puzzles, some challenging and really fun puzzles. So